Hello everyone! Today, let us talk about electrostatics and its application in real life. Pretty interesting, right? You'll find out why and how attraction or repulsion happens even in your love lives. So, without further ado, I'm going to play the micro video in the background to keep your attention span in check and make sure you're listening to the lesson without disturbances.
Electrostatics is the branch of physics that studies electric charges at rest. Electric charges can either be positive or negative, and they interact by attracting or repelling each other, where opposite charges attract while like charges repel. These interactions are used in many technologies, including electrostatic painting. Now, what is electrostatic painting? Well, electrostatic painting is a method of painting that uses electric charges to control how paint particles move. So instead of spreading randomly in the air, the paint is guided by electrostatic forces so it sticks evenly to the object. What happens is, first, paint particles pass through a spray gun where they are given a negative electric charge, where each particle carries the same charge. The object to be painted is then given a positive charge or is grounded, creating an opposite charge between the paint and the object. And since opposite charges attract, the negatively charged paint particles are pulled toward the object by electrostatic force, which then this force allows the paint to reach edges and corners, producing the wraparound effect and a smooth and even coating. Electrostatic painting is important because it reduces paint waste, improves coating quality, and increases efficiency. It is widely used in car factories and metal industries. The advantages and safety for electrostatic painting is first, less paint waste. It reduces overspray, meaning fewer volatile organic compounds and airborne pollutants are released, leading to a cleaner, more eco-friendly process. Second is even coating. The magnetic attraction between charged paint particles and the ground object ensures a smooth, uniform, and factory quality finish with excellent adhesion and no drips or streaks. For the limitations, first there's a material restriction. This is because the technique is effective only on conductive materials, typically metals or specially treated plastics. Second is its environmental sensitivity. This is because the process can be sensitive to environmental conditions like humidity, which can affect the electrostatic charge and performance. For the safety precautions of handling electrostatic painting is first, proper grounding is required. All equipment, the object being painted, and the operator must be properly grounded to prevent electric shock, static discharge, and fire hazards. This method saves materials and time, but safety measures like proper grounding and protective equipment are necessary. Thus, in everyday life, electrostatic painting demonstrates how electrostatics and electric charges are applied in real life to make industrial processes more efficient and effective. That is all. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you guys next time.